Wrinkles around your mouth will be eliminated fast only by using this simple 1-minute technique. Today, we share with you a super powerful 1-minute technique to remove all wrinkles and fine lines around your mouth. Before starting this technique, you need to prepare oil blending recipes to serve for this technique. We will show you 2 separate recipes suitable for both dry, normal, sensitive, combination, and oily skin. 1. Anti-wrinkle oil blending recipe for oily and combination skin. First, take a bowl and add 1 teaspoon of organic coconut oil. When applied directly to your skin, coconut oil helps boost the production of collagen and encourages the regeneration of cells. It tightens your skin and diminishes the appearance of wrinkles. Next, add 1 teaspoon of sweet almond oil. This oil comprises plenty of antioxidants such as vitamin E, which fight wrinkles by countering degradation of the skin's collagen fibers. Finally, add 1 to 3 drops grapeseed or orange essential oil to tighten facial pores, fill wrinkles, and restore your skin's softness and elasticity. Now, mix all ingredients well. We will guide you on how to do the 1-minute technique to remove wrinkles around your mouth with this recipe at the end of the video, after we share the remaining anti-wrinkle recipe for those who have dry, sensitive, and normal skin type. 2. Anti-wrinkle oil blending recipe for dry, sensitive, and normal skin. In this recipe, the first ingredient you need to prepare is extra virgin olive oil. Olive oil includes vitamin E and polyphenols, which help to gather and neutralize free radicals that can otherwise damage the skin and advance the appearance of wrinkles around your mouth. Take a bowl and add a teaspoon of extra virgin olive oil. Next, add 1 teaspoon of sweet almond oil. In the last step, add 2 to 3 drops of rosehip oil. Don't confuse rose oil and rosehip oil. Rosehip oil is rich in vitamin A and C, which are both necessary for the production of collagen, which is essential for skin elasticity and firmness to fight wrinkles around the mouth. It's time to mix all ingredients together. Now we have a recipe for oily and combination skin and another for dry, sensitive, and normal skin. Choose the one that best suits your skin type, and we will show you the 1-minute technique with this anti-wrinkle mixture to remove wrinkles around your mouth. Step 1. Apply your oil around your mouth with circular motions. Step 2. Use your index and middle fingers to put around your mouth area in a V shape. Then, gently press that area for 2 seconds and slowly draw the fingers apart and out of your cheeks. Come back to the starting position. Repeat this process 3 times. This technique will help to massage the muscle ring around your mouth and help ease fine lines and wrinkles. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.